Hello students, welcome back to class 11 chemistry video lecture. I am Mukesh Banani as chemistry teacher from Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. I hope you all are doing well at home. Today we will start with chapter number 2, that is structure of atom. Dual behavior of matter. De Broglie proposed that matter exhibit dual behavior, that is matter show both particle and wave nature. De Broglie relation is lambda equal to h upon mv. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It states that it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum of electron. The product of their uncertainties is always equal to or greater than h upon 4 pi. That is delta x into delta p greater than equal to h upon 4 pi. Delta x equal to uncertainty in position and delta p equal to uncertainty in momentum. Orbital. The region of space around the nucleus where the probability of finding of electron is maximum is called orbital. Let's come to quantum number. There are set of 4 quantum number which specify the energy, size, shape and orientation of orbital. Principal quantum number. It identifies shell, determines size and energy of orbital. Here small n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 represent capital K shell, 2 represent capital L shell, 3 represent capital M shell, 4 represent capital N shell. We can calculate total number of orbital in shell equal to by n square formula. Azimuthal quantum number small l. Azimuthal quantum number is also known as orbital angular momentum. The number of orbital in subshell equal to 2l plus 1. For a given value of small n, it can have small n value ranging from 0 to n minus 1. Here small l equal to 0 represent S subshell and l equal to 1 represent small p subshell, L equal to 2 represent D subshell, L equal to 3 represent small f subshell. Magnetic quantum number. It gives information about the spatial orientation of orbital with respect to standard set of coordinate axes. Its value vary from minus L to 0 and 0 to plus L. Number 4. Electron spin quantum number. It refers as orientation of spin of the electron. It can have two values, plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 identify the clockwise spin and minus 1 by 2 determine the anti-clockwise spin. Harbor principle. In the ground state of atom, the orbital are filled in the order of their increasing energy. N plus L rule. Orbital with lower value of n plus L have lower energy. If two orbital have the same value of n plus L, then orbital with lower value of small n will have lower energy. The order in which the orbital are filled is as follow: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p dash dash. Pauli exclusion principle. Pauli exclusion principle. No two electrons in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum number. Only 2 electrons may exist in the same orbital and these electrons must have opposite sign. Hund rule of maximum multiplicity. Pairing of electrons in the orbital belonging to the same subshell does not take place until each orbital belonging to that subshell has got 1 electron each. That is, it is singly occupied. Like P4 is represented by only this configuration but not this configuration. Hope you are understood very well. So chapter has completed from my side. I will suggest you that go through this chapter by NCERT book. Okay. Thank you students. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.